To another video session on Python series. So in this today's video, we will be covering upon what are lambda functions in Python. So let's start the session. So we have some lecture 22. We will be creating a lecture 23 file, and today we will be covering upon lambda functions. So lambda functions are it's a shortcut methods that you can create so that one line function. We have in in C# we have some link queue. It's almost similar to that. We are creating these functions. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's traditional video ke zamane wala. Let's create that as well. Like first, def I have to add the function name. Add matlab let's do add number and here it's taking two parameters a comma b, and what I can do like this a plus b. So what a plus b this function is going to do is this function is going to do the sum of that. So let's do something. Add number, and here let's pass 4, 5. Let me run this and I will get the result as 9. Actually I run this or not. Yeah, it's running. It's showing as 9. Okay, you can see like it's shown as 9. It's ये ब्रेक के जमाना का क्वेश्चन solution है, मतलब it's an old way, like traditional way. We can do this. Now if I want to use a lambda function, what I will be doing, let's uncomment this. Let's create a lambda function. So let's do this. Add number equal to what it will take. I have to specify like it's a lambda function. So I have to write lambda, not lambda, it's lambda. Then I have to write like I can take a parameter x comma y. This it's a two parameters I'm taking. I'm taking two parameters. You can say like lambda x comma y, and now colon. Now I will be doing x plus y. Space, I think space is not required, and I will get 9. 4 plus y 9. So in lambda expression, what I can do, we have to write the function name here, then specify lambda, then one lining line. Instead of like we are declaring this parameters, we have to declare the parameters, then a colon, and then the whatever return statement I have writing, I will mention here. This was on lambda expression. You can this way you can work with lambda expression if you want. Otherwise this video ke zamana wala solution also you can say it's a old technique, also you can use it. Preferable what I prefer to use this one, because most of the time we are getting function where we have to do most of the operations. In that case this lambda expression might not be fruitful for you. So you can choose as per your flexibility. If it's a very small one, you can go with lambda expressions. So I will meet you in some other video where we will be talking about some other things. So let's wind up this video. And if you like this session, this type of videos, if you are helpful for you, you can press that like button. Also please subscribe to our channel so that this channel doesn't got so that you can watch the other videos of these channels as well. And you will have to, for notification, you have to press this bell button and set it to all, so then only you will get the notification. If you are setting to if you not set to a default one, or you can say personalized one, then you will get the notification, but after some time might be 1 day or 2 days as per the flexibility of the. So bye.